Hi, welcome to Palai Planet. And we have got a question from quadratic equations, and let's see how we solve it. The question says that there is an express train and which takes 1 hour less than a passenger train, right? So there is a passenger train, then and there is also an express train. An express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train, and the distance which has been covered for or which they are talking about is 132 kilometers between the two cities, Mysore and Bangalore. Now the question also says that if the average speed of the express train is 11 kilometer more than that of the passenger train, find the average speed of the two trains, right? So this is what we need to now find out. So let's first assume the let's suppose the speed of let's suppose the speed of the passenger train of the passenger train. Now that's say x kilometers per hour. Now in the question it is given that the average speed of the express train is 11 kilometers per hour more than that of the passenger train, right? So in total, the speed of the express train will be x plus 11, right? So this is what it will be. So that means the time taken by the passenger train to cover 132 kilometers, right? So the time taken for this distance is equal to 132 divided by x. Similarly, time taken for the by the express train to cover up again the same distance of 130 to 32 kilometers, the time would be, this is for time for the passenger train, this is time taken by the express train. So this is going to be 132 divided by the speed of the express train, and that is x plus 1, x plus 11 kilometers per hour. So this is like x plus 11. Now, what we understand from the question is that it says that the time taken by the express train is 1 hour less than the time taken by the passenger train. So, what we can now say is that the time taken by the passenger train minus time taken by the express train is equal to 1 hour, right? And we already have the value of time taken by the passenger train, right? And also the value of the time taken by the express train. So let's put these two and then we'll start solving the question. So it's like 132 divided by x, because that's the time taken by the passenger train, minus 132 x plus 1, and that's the time taken by the passenger train, and the difference is 1, right? So let's start solving it, and we will simply you know put it like this, and from here x will get cancelled with x, and what we will have is 132 x plus 132 multiplied gets multiplied with 11, and what we get is 1452, right? Minus x plus 1 here will get cancelled with x plus 1, so what we are left with is 132x, and all of it is equal to 1, right? Now this gets cancelled with this, very simple, and then we have 1452 equals, so I can write it like this, x square plus 11x, right? Now we can rewrite this whole expression like this now. X square plus 11x minus 1452, and all of it is equal to 0. Now this is a perfect quadratic equation which we can solve further with the help of factorization. And what we will do here is that we'll use the split methodology, and if we use that, then what we'll find is that x square plus, we can rewrite this 11x as 44x negative 33x and 1452. And we can clearly see that if we multiply 44 with negative 33, we will get negative 1452. And if we add up these two, we get 11. So which is fine, and this satisfied our split processing or split proper requirement. And now what we can do is we can simply take x common here, so we will get x plus 44, and from the second group we get negative 33, and we get here x plus 44, and all of it is equal to 0 here also. And now I can write that x minus 33, and the second factor is x plus 44, and all of it is again equal to 0. Now with this relationship, we understand that the value of x is either 33 or x is also equal to negative 44. Now, since we are talking about x as the speed of the train, it cannot be negative. So what we have to do is we have to reject this answer, the solution of x. So this is rejected, and what is accepted is this one, right? So this is the correct answer. Now, if the speed of the passenger train is 33 kilometers per hour, so obviously we know the speed of the express train would be 44 kilometers per hour, because the difference between the two of them is just 11 kilometers per hour. We can, we already have this relationship. So if this is 33, so this is going to be 44, right? So this is how we have solved this question. I hope you understood it. And in case you have any of the queries, please feel free to be in touch with me so that we can, you know, clear your doubts. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and bye bye.